Good day, everybody. Mr. Hogan again here with your announcements for Monday, March 21st, 2022. Welcome back, everybody. Hope you had a great break. On the birthday list today, I've got two. That would be Janae Belcher and Miley Parks. So happy birthday to both of you. Lunch menu today: chicken strips with golden waffles, cheeseburger, or breaded chicken sandwich. These items are offered with breakfast potatoes, spiced peaches, garden bar featuring fresh baby spinach, and assorted fruit. And of course, additional daily options are jumbo PB&J, assorted sub sandwiches, assorted box salads, yogurt and sweetbread, and of course, everyone's favorite, hummus and pita bento box. On to the news. Last week's Spurs focus was self-control in the hallways. We selected two 8th grade students, Allison Turner and Milo Powell. Allison was nominated by Mrs. Schumacher, and Milo was nominated by Mr. Crowder. Congratulations to you two. This week's Spurs focus is self-control in the restrooms and locker rooms. An example of having self-control in these areas is keeping your hands to yourself, picking up your trash, and avoiding horseplay. We will be looking for students who are going above and beyond showing their Spurs today, and this whole week, and for the rest of the school year. All right, there we go. All right, guys, that's all I've got. Hey, make it a fantastic Monday. We're glad you're all back. And, of course, you know there's one last thing to do. Last but not least, you got it. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.